Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 20, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. Now to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. From here, scroll down till you find play message, till you find option called... Why does it always keep scrolling a little bit down? So anyway, you will find the option called storage right over here. Once you tap on it, select portable, and this will display your SD card. From here, you want to select those three dots right over here, and you will get presented with format option. Click on it. This will bring up a message letting you know that formatting will erase all data currently stored on the SD card. So obviously, if you have anything there that you would like to preserve, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, this data will be completely removed and this cannot be undone. Now, assuming you have already made a backup or you just simply don't want to, proceed further by selecting Erase and Format. For some reason, you will need to confirm your screen lock if you have one set. If you don't, it automatically will proceed further. And from there, it starts formatting it. This process only takes a couple seconds and it should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done and that's it. The card is now formatted. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.